Hello everyone. So now we will discuss some of the questions from engineering mechanics. So आज हमें force and moment रो किछटा question discuss करिवा. Which principle states that the point of application of a force can be moved anywhere along its line of action without changing the external effect on the rigid body. So that is called your principle of transmissibility. So this is the correct answer. Principle of transmissibility कौन हम गोटे पॉइंट जदि आम फोर्स पकईवा तार लाइन ऑफ एक्शन रे जेकोसी जगह से फोर्स टाक पकईले बॉडी रे सेम इफेक्ट पड़ो. टू इक्वल फोर्सेस P act at an angle 120 degree each other. What is the magnitude of their resultant? एमानकर रेजल्टांट हो कौन ना जेहेतु 120 डिग्री रे पड़ी फोर्स दुईटा या जदि रेजल्टांट आम फाइंड आउट करवा ताले यार आंसर हो P हो. सो P इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सी हियर द एक्सप्लेनेशन. P इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Lami's theorem can be applied only when a body is in equilibrium under the action of how many concurrent forces. ऑलरेडी बार बार तो आमको कहुई Lami's theorem तुमर minimum 3 forces are required. Minimum 3 concurrent forces required. According to Varignon theorem, the algebraic sum of a moment of two coplanar forces about any point in their plane is equal to moment of their resultant. Product of the forces habani, moment of their resultant habo. This is called the Varignon theorem. Correct answer. A couple is formed by two forces that are. A couple is formed by two forces that are. देखो भाई couple होबा पय हेले equal magnitude होबा दरकार, opposite direction होबा दरकार, and both forces तमरो parallel होबा दरकार. Equal in magnitude, opposite direction, non collinear. Collinear हेले से माने couple formation करि परिबेनी. Minimum तांका भितरे किछि distance रहया दरकार. That's why this is called your non collinear forces. Okay, so equal in magnitude. So this is the correct answer. To make a couple equal forces but in opposite direction. Which type of support provides a reaction that is always perpendicular to the surface it rests on regardless of the other forces. को support रे सबु बेले perpendicular direction रे reaction पड़िबो. That is your roller support or it is called a ball support. यही जगह तुम सब perpendicular direction रे reaction पड़िबो. In free body diagram, the weight of an object should be represented as the force acting. Weight of the object ता तुम कुआड पड़िबो ना always तुम downward पड़िबो. So vertically downward through its center of gravity. So option D is the correct answer. The process of splitting a single force into two or more components that have the same effect of the original force, that is called your principle of resolution. So resolution of the forces is the correct answer for this question. If two parallel forces 10 Newton 20 Newton are unlike acting in opposite direction, what is the magnitude of their resultant? एमानकर resultant is जेहेतु एमान unlike अछंती गोटे फोर्स एपटू को पड़ले गोटे फोर्स एपटू को पड़िबो. तेणुक जार फोर्स अमाउंट अधिका तापटू रिजल्टांट रैल्यू इज 20 माइनस ऑफ 10 दैट इज नथिंग बट 10 न्यूटन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 10 न्यूटन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ए बीम इज सेड टू बी इन इक्विलिब्रियम अंडर द कोप्लानर नॉन कनकरेंट फोर्सेस. कोप्लानर नॉन कनकरेंट फोर्सेस. कोप्लानर हेतबो नॉन कनकरेंट हेतबो कोन हो दरकार. Only the sum of horizontal force is 0, only the sum of vertical force is 0, only the sum of moment about any point is 0. The sum of horizontal forces, vertical forces and moment all are 0. So this is called the equilibrium beam. That means everything should be 0 for the equilibrium condition. Option D is your correct answer. So now we have discussed 10 important questions from the force and moment chapter. एभली क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन जदि तुम चाहूच ताहले कमेंट रे लेख को चैप्टर तुम क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन दरकार. ऑन दैट बेसिस वी विल डिस्कस सम मोर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. थैंक यू.